Greetings my dear friend, and if you joined this channel to find a reliable trading strategy and make some good money, then look no further, you are in the right place. Today I'm bringing you a super simple trading strategy that I use quite a lot. This strategy has proven to be very successful, and this is precisely the reason why I use it. It provides high accuracy trading signal with minimum effort. So all you need to do is simply add a few indicators and you're good to go. I'm going to explain how those indicators work and what you have to look for to take your first trade. But believe me, just stay for like 5 minutes, 4 minutes, see for yourself how you can trade with this strategy. Let's get straight into business and let me show you what you can get and what you can achieve with this simple strategy. Let's go. Okay, so for this strategy, you are going to use two indicators. The first one is going to be momentum indicator, and the second one is going to be vortex. So add both of them to your chart. They both go with default settings, so you don't have to come up with anything else besides 10 period on momentum and 14 period on vortex, and keep all the other settings as it is. So now let's find an entry point and I will explain to you what to look at when you're trading with these two indicators. Let's go. All right, so here we have a buy signal. I'm gonna place $1,000 and just wait a couple of seconds to see how the price behaves. And here is my signal to place another 1,000 and another 1,000. So there it is. So what you're gonna be looking here is for momentum to start printing for you green bars when you're looking for a buy position. When you see 1 or 2 bars being printed, by the way, you're going to trade on 30 seconds time frame and 1 minute expiration time. And once the cross happens right here and you see green line being above the red line and crossing it, that means you are seeing a trend switch. And the same goes for the sell position. All you need to do is look for the momentum to start printing you red bars when you see 1, 2 or 3 of them, and you see vortex, the red line being above the green line and crossing it from the downwards position. That means you are looking for a sell position and a downtrend reversal. So there we have it. We made all the money here. This was a little bit shaky, however the profit came in and that's all that matters. And here we have a nice clean fresh switch right here. You can see the cross in the upwards direction, which is a signal for a buy position. And you can see that we have pretty strong green candles appearing above here, which also signals that we are seeing a birth of an uptrend. So we want to place a little bit of money. I'm not getting too crazy because there looks like there is a resistance level above here. So I don't want to go crazy because I see this rejection candle being very close by. So simple as that. We place another $1,000 on this trade, and let's observe now if we're able to secure it in 25 seconds. And once again, really close, but the signal works and we once again getting the money. And you can see it right here. We have a pretty strong, we did take one loss on the last one. I didn't actually notice, but we got all the other ones and we're already making some good profit. So let's find another entry and place maybe a little bit more than we placed right now. But let's observe and see how this whole thing looks. And look at this, a fresh cross. So we're going to place a little bit of money and then we see the drop. So we place a bit more, but the reason for us is right here. We had a strong downtrend for quite some time and then we're just starting to see the cross. So we are very early and you can see there is a lot of rejection. So this is not going to be an easy trade, and I think we're gonna drop another 4 trades right here to offset the initial loss. And let's drop another one on top of it. And here we have momentum starting to move into the upper zone. We have momentum printing us green candles, which is a good sign for us, and once again a signal for an uptrend coming. So we place our trade once again with a signal from 2 of these indicators, and let's observe if we get the profit. And there it is. We're starting getting our money. We get one, we get another one, and we get all the bottom ones, all the 5 ones that we have lined up as well. And look at that. Once again, it looked like nothing, but once the signal was printed by both indicators, everything started playing out in our favor, and that is what it's all about right there. Look at all the money we're making. Beautiful. We are just killing it. Damn, that's a lot of money right there that we made. This is amazing, and this strategy is super easy. Look for the momentum to start building up the strength here, the trend strength. We see the bullish impulse here is about to take off. Look for that cross, wait for that cross right there. This is the perfect opportunity because you can see how long the downtrend was lasting. All red right here, and the red line was above VI minus, was above VI plus, which is a green line, and we have the cross right here happening, signaling a start over a new trend, over correction, and we arrive at the perfect time. So there it is, guys. Very simple strategy. We make a couple $1,000s right there with a quick trading session. It only took us let's see right here, it only took us 5 minutes and we made over $4,000. Just as simple as that. So if you like the strategy, I'm not going to talk a lot. You should be in my trading group. If you like this strategy, we have plenty more available for you. So join right now, become a member, see for yourself how you can make profit and how quickly you can get into things with binary options. Stop gambling your money away. Trading isn't about gambling. You need some knowledge. You need to understand what indicators do, how to use them, and what to look at when you're trading with them. So become a member today. Start making money instead of losing them. I hope you enjoyed this video. The links are in the description below. I appreciate you for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and of course, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.